How to clean your P and make it faster. Your computer seems to have aged, and every time you start the operating system, you have to wait for endless minutes before everything is ready. Instead of giving up and considering replacing your PC, why not try some internal maintenance? Programs that automatically start with the operating system can significantly slow down your computer. Not only unnecessary programs, but viruses and malware can also interfere with various processes. Even third-party antivirus programs, while important, may contribute to system startup delays. Fortunately, there are ways to fix all this and improve your PC's performance. Cleaning your computer does not require complicated procedures and can be done fairly quickly. Before that, go to the section below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Freeing up space and optimizing the system. To begin, freeing up disk space can always be helpful, although it won't automatically increase the operating system's speed. Deleting cache and temporary files might help speed up some programs that could be slowed down by corrupt files. One way to do this is by using the Windows Disk Cleanup tool. Just type Disk Cleanup in the Start menu search bar and click on the corresponding icon. In the program window, select the operating system drive, usually C, and then click OK. Choose the options of your interest and then click on Delete Files to start the cleaning process. If you want a more thorough cleaning, you can use the Disk Cleanup's Cleanup System Files feature. Additionally, if the built-in Windows tool doesn't meet your needs, you can try third-party cleaning software, but be cautious about those that promise miracles. An alternative could be BeachBit, a free and open-source software that can help you free up space and clean the system registry. Freeing up space occupied by large files. Videos, images, and other large files can take up a lot of space on the disk. Checking available space and freeing it up from time to time can be useful, although it won't directly improve your PC's performance. To view occupied space on Windows, you can open File Explorer, right-click on the C drive or any other disk you want to check, and then select Properties. If you're using Windows 10 or later versions, you can also go to Start, then Settings, then System, then Storage to get an overview of the occupied space in the system. A useful program to identify and visualize the largest files on the disk is Windowstat. Disable Automatic Program Startup. Programs that start automatically with the operating system can slow down the loading and functioning of your PC. Disabling them can speed up the Windows startup. To do this, you can use the Task Manager tool. On Windows 10 and Windows 11, right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. In the Startup tab, you'll find all the programs that start with the system. Disable those that you consider unnecessary or negatively impact the PC's performance. Defragment the disk. Data fragmentation can impact the loading speed of programs and the operating system, especially on mechanical hard drives. Using the Windows Defragmentation utility can help solve this issue. Search for Defragment and Optimize drives in the Start menu's search bar and launch the utility. Select the drive you want to defragment and click Optimize. However, keep in mind that defragmentation is not necessary for SSDs and can even be harmful to these devices. Ensure that the Windows utility is set to automatically optimize the disk. Protecting against viruses and malware. Computer security is a primary concern for many users. Viruses, malware, and other cyber threats can cause significant damage, including data loss, theft of personal or financial information, and system slowdowns. To protect yourself from these threats, it is essential to use good antivirus software and take some basic precautions. Windows Defender, the built-in antivirus in Windows. Starting from Windows 8, Microsoft integrated a native antivirus called Windows Defender. With the evolution of Windows, Windows Defender has become more reliable and offers real-time protection against viruses, spyware, adware, and other common threats. It's also quite lightweight in terms of resource usage, meaning it won't overly burden your system. To check the status of Windows Defender, click on the Start button and type Windows Security in the search bar. Click on the shield-shaped icon to open the antivirus. Ensure that all items are enabled and, in particular, check that virus and threat protection is active. If necessary, you can enable real-time protection by toggling the corresponding switch where updated. Software manufacturers regularly release updates to fix bugs, address security vulnerabilities, and improve performance. Make sure to install all available updates for the operating system and installed software. This applies not only to Windows, but also to web browsers, productivity suites, instant messaging programs, and other third-party software. Be cautious of suspicious emails and attachments. Phishing emails and malicious attachments are common vehicles for spreading viruses and malware. Don't open suspicious emails from unknown senders and avoid downloading attachments from unverified sources. Even if the email appears to come from a legitimate source, be cautious of any requests for sensitive information or anything unusual. Download software only from reliable sources. When downloading software, make sure to do it only from official websites and trusted sources. Avoid pirate software download sites or those with a dubious reputation. Software downloaded from unverified sources may contain malware or have been tampered with to include unwanted software. Avoid dangerous websites. Suspicious or pirate websites may contain harmful ads, links, or scripts. Avoid websites that promise illegal or free content that should normally be paid for. Also, it's advisable to use a web browser with an anti-phishing filter to protect against malicious websites. Perform periodic scans. Even though Windows Defender provides real-time protection, it's good practice to run periodic scans of the system to search for any hidden threats. You can do this through Windows Defender or by using other. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and don't miss the next one. Become a tech genius. Do it for Jin.